Hi everyone, so this is your first tutorial on how to use the Open Roberta lab to create your first program and simulate it online. So what you're going to do first of all is get into Google on your Safari browser and just type in the words lab Open Roberta, as you can see on my screen. Click search and it should be the first page that you find on the list. When you click it, just give it a couple of minutes to load the software, and you should see something like this on your screen. We're going to choose our type of robot first, which is the Lego EV3, and you can see there's lots of other choices, so maybe you can have a look at those another time. We choose the middle top option, which is EV3 Legos 0.9.0, and there you've got the really cool, easy to use programming environment right in front of you with one red block, which is the start block. Okay. On the right hand side you've got the simulator, which is that little SIM button, and inside that you've got your robot and a simulated environment with some objects that you can move, like this block here. Okay, so we're going to start off with a really easy program. I'm going to close the simulator so I can see all of my actions and menu buttons. And on the left I'm going to click the orange option called Action, and all I want to do is get my robot to drive in a straight line, turn around and then come back. So I'm going to click drive forwards at a speed of 30, and I'm going to make him move 100 centimeters. So I'm going to click in that centimeter button. Instead of 20, I'm going to type in 100. Now, a good tip here is always test your program at each stage. So we're going to make sure this works. So click the simulator button, open up the simulator, and then click on play at the bottom. And there we go. You can see the robot moving across the colored lines till it reaches 100 centimeters. Okay, and then it's going to stop. So that was brilliant. That's a good start. I'm going to reset the robot by pressing the location button, and that will reset your robot so you can do the next instruction. So let's try and turn the robot around. And here we go. If you look down the list, you've got a turn right at 30, and it says degrees 20. Well, we want to change it to 180. Okay, click on sim and let's start again. This time it should reach 100 centimeters and then turn around. There we go, fantastic. Now let's see if we can add to that. This time we're going to make it go another 100 centimeters back to its original position, and again turn around, and you just click the programming blocks to connect them together. Oops, I've typed a big number there that we don't want to use. Okay, let's test that out again. Open the simulator, press play at the bottom, and wait to see how your robot executes its program. So if you've done this correctly, you should reach 100 centimeters, do a 180 degree turn, we'll drive all the way back to its starting position, and then turn back again. There you have it. That's your first basic program on the Open Lab software. Okay, watch out for more tutorials. Hopefully you'll learn a little bit more by experimenting. Feel free to have a rummage around the actions, see what else you can do with your robot. Okay guys, that's it from me. Thank you. Bye bye.